Are you looking for a legal and easy way to turn your credit into cash? I have got the perfect solution for you. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and I have been working with the company for a while now. They have recently rebranded and completely upgraded everything for their user experience to ensure that everyday people can actually use the credit that was given to them. And this way they can actually use an app. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this, guys. You can literally take money off your credit card and turn it into cash. Yes, there's a small fee, but it's much better than some of these other options out there. Now, a lot of people might ask, why would I want to do this, right? Well, there's so many different opportunities that you can actually use this for. Number one, get higher credit limits on your credit card. If you're not spending what they're already giving you, why would the bank give you more money? So this is a great way to quote unquote manufacture spend your credit cards. You can pay your rent, you can pay your car payment, you can pay every bill and then pay your cash back to your credit card, get the reward points, leverage higher credit limits. And sometimes we fall into a hiccup where we might need to leverage the funds that are on our credit card. And if we try to get a cash advance, it's very expensive and it's a much lower credit limit. This way, with the Cashew app, you can actually load your Cashew platform and transfer the funds right into your bank account. And the process is very fast. It's only about 4 days. Now, a lot of people might ask, does this work for business credit cards? And the answer is yes. You can absolutely pull money off of your personal or business credit cards with the app Cashew. So this is literally what so many people have been asking for and wanting. And now you don't have to do some of those shady methods that can potentially get your merchant account shut down, get your credit card shut down, and even lose your Costco membership, which I've had someone do because they were manufacturer spending. Imagine the time that you're going to save. When I was manufacturer spending to get higher credit limits, I was actually having to drive out to the mall, which at that time was the Simon Mall locations, and I was buying Simon Mall Visa gift cards. And then I would go to Western Union and turn them into money orders and then deposit them into my bank account, all to just manufacturer spend and spend what I already had and ask for credit limit increases. And eventually it worked. I was able to get much higher credit limits because if you're not already spending what they give you, why would they give you more? You have to show the bank that, hey, yeah, I'm going to spend this, but I'm also going to pay you back, right? So if you're going to spend big, you got to pay big, okay? And you always have to make sure that you pay attention to what your closing date is for your billing cycle, because you don't want to have a credit card that's overutilized report to the credit bureaus. You want to do this process at the very beginning of your billing statement. So that way you have 30 days to essentially pay down your card below 15% of the credit limit if possible, or get it down as much as you possibly can. But this is a great opportunity for you guys to literally turn your credit into the cash that you need, because I know a lot of people have a hard time, especially on the business side, but there are apps like this, Cashew, there's Melio, there's payroll companies like ADP. So if you are interested, visit the description below. I've left a link for Cashew where you can also comment the word cash and I will send you the direct access so you can get signed up. The platform itself to sign up is absolutely free and it just launched. So this is a brand new program, fully redesigned, fully relaunched, fully legal, right? Because some of those ways that people would turn their credit into cash were very questionable, right? And I've even seen people that were doing it with their own merchant accounts, and their merchant accounts were then flagged and basically blacklisted. So they couldn't get another merchant account because they just don't like it when you do, risky behaviors like such. But this is a completely legal way for you to load your cashew funds, transfer them into your bank account. I don't recommend using the same banking institutions because it just is never the best idea, because you don't really want to use, a Navy Federal credit card and then have it deposited into a Navy Federal bank account. Have it deposited at another bank account, okay? That's one of the keys when it comes to really manufacturer spending, if you will. So if you are interested in turning your cash, let's start that over. So if you are interested in turning your credit into cash, make sure to sign up for Cashew. I have left a link below. Comment the word cash. I'll send you the link, my friends. And until next time, make sure to take action. I'll see you on the next video.